really possible? If so, how? Let me share some tips and tricks to make money online. There are a lot of ways to make money online. Here are a few ways to do it without investing huge money. The first one is Kindle Publishing. We can earn royalty through book publishing. It doesn't mean that you must write a book. You can outsource it in the websites like Upwork.com, fees, Epic Write, articles for even less than a penny per word. For book publishing, you must create an account with kdpamazon.com. Before publishing your book in Kindle, you need to have your book and its cover ready. For the book cover also, you can hire someone to design it for you with just from $5 using Fiverr.com. Before starting to build a website, blog, and writing a book, you must do some keyword research. Keyword research is nothing but knowing what people are looking for in online. Because when you write a book purely based on your interest and passion, if it doesn't have any market, then the possibility of earning will be very low. Here are few steps involved in Kindle book publishing. Keyword research, create an attractive title and write or outsource the content, design or outsource cover, create KDP account with Amazon, publish, market it using social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. This video is just an overview. In upcoming videos, I will walk through all these step by step. So please stay tuned by subscribing. Come, let's discuss another way of making money online, and it is my favorite too. Affiliate marketing. Apart from ebook publishing, affiliate marketing is a wonderful way to make money online. First, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is earning a commission by promoting someone's product or service. The main advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product, because product creation and marketing require a lot of effort. Instead of creating our own product, we can identify the product which is already selling hot. Then we can create a content or reviews for that product. By doing that, you can use the affiliate link. If the visitor purchases through the link, you will get the commission for it. The product owner will also earn his profit, and the consumer will solve his problem using the product. So it is a win-win for everyone. Here is an important note. You must be genuine in doing affiliate marketing, which means you must make sure that the product quality is good and it will benefit your subscriber, or else it will break the trust with your subscriber. Relationship building is an important thing in affiliate marketing. We can build relationship by providing valuable content to your blog visitor and subscribers. The valuable content should resolve the problem. It can be done by doing some keyword research, that is what actually people are looking for in the internet. Here are some affiliate networks. These are the big affiliate networks: clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, affiliateprogram.amazon.com, CJ, that is commissionjunction.com, shareasale.com. Okay, let me show these affiliate networks. So this is the clickbank.com. This is CJ, jvzoo, and shareasale. Okay, finally, Amazon Associates. Okay, among these, Amazon is for physical product. Most of them are for digital products. One of the disadvantages of promoting physical product is low commission, whereas digital products have a high commission margin. You need to create an account with affiliate networks before start promoting their products. Then you need to pick a product that is already selling. Okay, here is a screenshot from the clickbank.com. Here you can see the word GRAV, which is gravity. Gravity is nothing but number of distinct affiliates who earned a commission by promoting the vendor's product during the past 12 weeks. So this is what the clickbait definition for the gravity. Actually, it's just how the product is selling. I always prefer to promote a product that has a higher gravity, which is at least greater than 20, which means people are already making money through this program. You can ask me, okay, now we found the product to promote, but how to promote? That is where blogging comes in. So you can do blogging, and you can promote through YouTube channel, social media, or through email marketing, all those things. So these are the 4 affiliate marketing channels. To promote your product, it is better to have the following marketing channels. Always focus on adding value first to your subscriber. Put their needs first. In return, you will earn money. Okay, the first one is blog. As I told earlier, blog, YouTube channel, social media, email marketing. These are the recommended marketing channels. Let me show an example of post of a popular affiliate marketers. So one of the famous blogger, his name is Stefan. He's doing wonderful job in blogging. If you see his post, he has done a very good review for Omega J8004 juicer. So it will definitely benefit the blog visitor, because if someone wants to go for juicing, so they can go through this wonderful posting. In the posting, if you see, he has embedded a video. So if you see, he has mentioned the benefit of juicing, all those stuff. When you see here, click here to learn more about Omega Nutrition Center commercial masticating juicer. If you click on it, it will redirect to the Amazon page. So this is what his affiliate link. He has clogged his affiliate link with this. So whenever the people buy this juicer by clicking this link, he will get commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. This is one of the way to promote any product, by giving reviews. So you need to create a website blog in your interested niche. Niche is nothing but the category in which market you are. Let's say, like, fat loss or health, or in which niche you are. Post content consistently by adhering to a committed schedule at least once in a week. If you can post daily, it would be very helpful for your blog readers. When you are genuine and authentic, it will create trust between you and your blog visitors. Trust building is very important thing. The next medium is YouTube channel. Create a channel to boost your blog post with video. As we all know, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and a video is worth 1,000 pictures, as it creates a connection with the peoples. Learn and implement some SEO strategy. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization to rank in search engines, but one should not overboard with the keywords, as the search engines like Google will penalize for stuffing keywords. Social media. You also must be active in social media, as now everyone is using them. We can make use of it to deliver your content to more peoples. The amount of money you earn is a direct proportion to the value you add and solving people's problems. That is the basic funda. Everything won't happen in overnight. You should have enough patience and keep going. The last but not the least is email marketing. Email marketing is one of the best way to build relationship with the customer, because people will come to our blog to consume the content and they will leave. So after that, if they don't come back to our blog, we will lose their contact. Hence, it is always recommended to collect their email addresses to communicate and promote legitimate offers. Email marketing means promoting or build relationship with our subscribers by sending emails. These emails also can be automated using online email marketing services like Aweber, MailChimp, etc. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe, like, and comment.